Hello everyone! Welcome to Sophisticated DIY. Today I'm unboxing a new PVC doll mannequin I got on AliExpress. She's branded as an Imeng doll, is affordable, posable, and ideal for sewing tests. I'm not a doll collector, I'm a fashion designer, and I use dolls as mannequin to prototype ideas and let my imagination flow. I used to work exclusively with mannequin, but most of them don't have legs and it's a little bit limiting when you cannot really make for them all kinds of clothes. This is why I changed to dolls. This doll comes in a branded box. As I tell you before, this is not a MJD doll. The brand is Imeng dolls. And I still don't know so much about the doll world because I'm just starting, but I could say that this doll is a way less expensive alternative to MJD dolls. Of course, this one is not MJD. Let me see what is inside the box. So it comes with this envelope and I can see, this is like a kind of catalog of the different clothes. It has like a birth certificate. This is cute. It makes me feel a little better of buying it. And it has like a kind of booklet with the details of the poses, the eyes, because this one has two color eyes that you can change it each time that you want. So far so good. This is looking good. And here you go, this is the doll. This is a full set and it came with the wig and the clothes and the shoes. It has as well a cleaner sponge. She's cute, huh? Let me take out of the way all the accessories so I can comfortably open that box. Although this doll is not a collector PJDs, still she has a graceful sculpt and it comes fully jointed. As I said, the joints are mechanical, not ball joint. And look at that, it looks beautiful. It has a very nice sculpt. You can move the foot, you can fold the knees. You see how the mechanical joints are different? You can move the legs at the top part, to the sides and to the front and to the back as well. You can move the hands all around and you can fold the arms and move the arms up and down. I'm gonna open the head. This one doesn't have the magnet. You basically have to unscrew it. And here you go. This is the crown for the eyes. Remember that these eyes are special because you can change the colors. One of the eyes is looking to one place and the other. But don't worry, we can fix that. Her face is simple but elegant. I love the neutral tone. I got that doll because I wanted to design some clothes taking as an inspiration and character from my childhood, and I wanted a doll that has more like a teenage vibes, and this one is perfect. As I told you before, I got it from a store called Jasmine Toy Store and the price was unbeatable. I pay about, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was about 103, 110 Canadian dollars or so, which is really good because it comes with all this outfit too. Here is illustrated the mechanism for the eyes, so when I have time later on, I'm gonna just check and see everything about it. Let's see everything that it has. These are the little socks. They are cute and nice. They come in the same bag as the hat, which is very nice. It's like a beret and it's made with the same fabric of the vest. It's a very nice vest. It has a cute little bow with a little panda and it has the basic shirt as well. The shirt has a tie. Isn't it cute? You know that I don't need the clothes. I buy it to make clothes for her, but still it's very nice to see other people's work. And these clothes really look very well finished. Still, of course, it's industrial, but it looks really good. It's a nice design. And it has the skirt, and the skirt has a little angel sign. And this is the cutest of all. This is a pair of sneakers, and they are like exactly like a people-sized sneakers, but just very small. And it has its own wig. This one is a blonde wig. And let's just put everything on. Even factory dolls like this one can be a great tool for creative exploration. I know that of course it won't be never the same as a MJD doll, but if your budget is not too big, I think this one still can make you happy. Don't really trust anything that I'm saying. 6 months ago, I didn't know much about MJD dolls. I have mannequins, a half a scale, 1/3 of scale, 1/4 scales, and I use them a lot to be creative, but because they don't have legs, but because they are not complete, very often my work was limited. And this is when I came across with the dolls and decided to buy some. But as I told you before, I didn't know anything. So I made my mistakes. But from now on, I really want to do the right thing. And if I still don't have the budget, I feel like just a commercial doll that has the right proportions might be very good for me until I can afford more expensive dolls. If I'm making a mistake, please let me know in the comments. I still don't know everything about this world. You know, my world is of the fashion design world, and for obvious reasons is getting very close to the doll world, but it's kind of different. Dolls for me are more like mannequin, and my clothes is what is important for me. I want to express myself, try patterns, be creative, you know. So this doll stand, the doll stand is not included. You have to buy it separate. I'm gonna put the wig now, and it's looking really good. Isn't she cute? It's very cute, huh? This is her with the brown eyes, and look at her face. It's really cute and nice. It has a basic makeup which is very nice. I'm gonna complete her with the hat, but before that I'm gonna change the eyes color just to see that it's all okay and I can do it. I like this brown, it looks really good on her. And now I'm gonna change it for the green. Green is the second color that it has, and they both colors look great. Look at her nose, her mouth, it's all cute. I'm gonna just put her last accessory, and I have my doll. She's really cute. As I said before, I wanna make another character for her, and I make this bag for her. I think it looks so good with the preppy look. Now I change her sneakers, which I love, by the way, for these white boots, just to see how it looks. And I bought as well this more fitted vest, just to try on her. I just wanted to see how versatile the look of the doll can be. This is why I want as well to change her wig. And look at that. She looks like a complete different doll. It's kind of different. Dolls for me are more like mannequin. What is important for me, I want to express myself, try patterns, be creative, you know. Isn't she cute? It's very cute, huh? If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!